We have fried biscuit. Pancake ka siya. Yan. Ano? Fried biscuit. 4 ingredient: flour, salt, oil, water. Flour, oil, salt, water. 5 pala. Oregano, bits. Fresh oregano. Ayun. Ayan. Nakikita niyo may mga maliliit.
The taste looks like a mango.
Mango!
I'm just
Taste na
joking.
looks like
I'm just joking. It's yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Nabraya.
The inside of it, it
It's
has
half moon.
vegetables inside.
Na headband. Shut up.
It looks like a flower.